How to fix a Telegram connecting problem on iPhone. First go back, open settings. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on general. Scroll down. Here tap on VPN and device management. Now disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Here tap on date and time and select it to automatically. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on iPhone storage. Here search for Telegram. Here select offload app and offload Telegram app. After offloading, go back, open App Store. Here search for Telegram. Tap on it. Now update Telegram app. After updating, restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then open Play Store or Google App Store. Here go back. Here search for browser VPN. Tap on it. Now install this VPN. After installing, open it. Here connect it. After the connection, go back, open Telegram app. Now wait some seconds. Here you will see your problem will be fixed successfully. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.